Good morning, 7th grade. This is Mrs. Frenzel, and this video is going to show you how to complete your first budget in Excel. First, we'll need to find the file you created last week. Go to your dock, find the green Excel application. It looks like a green notebook. Double-click to open it. Then on the left, you have this panel. You want to go to Recent Files. And you probably only have one file listed here. I have several, but double click on the file that's at the top. That's your most recent file. And you should have the file from last week. Last Friday, we had started our budget, and you need to make sure that your budget looks like mine. If it doesn't, stop this video and complete it so that it looks exactly like my budget shown here. The first thing we're going to do is prepare the area, the cell that's going to show the total of our income. And the way we do that is by drawing a line under our three numbers to show where that total goes. So make sure you click inside cell D8, that's where we're going to be doing our work, and we want to draw a line. So we're going to go up to our ribbon, and on the left side there is a button that kind of looks like a window pane. I want you to click on the arrow to the right to show all the different options you have for borders. You're going to select the top border. Now, if you click away from it, you can see this line that's been drawn. This is where our total is going to go. Now we're ready to enter the formula. Anytime you enter a formula in Excel, you enter or type the equal sign first. The equal sign is in the upper right-hand corner of your keyboard. So I'm going to click equals, and then I'm going to click on the first cell, which is D5, and click it. And that's the first cell we're going to add. And then I'm going to hit the plus button, which you can find on your number pad out to the right. And then I'm going to click on the second cell, D6, hit my plus sign, click on the last cell, D8, and then hit return. And you'll get a total of $85. Do not type in the number $85 because we want a formula there. We want to be able to change these numbers and have our total update. So for example, I can change this number to $200 now and my total updates. All right. So now that you have your total calculation entered, go ahead and enter your expenses. All right, now I'm ready to total my expenses. I'm going to do this just like I did my income. I'm going to put my cursor in the cell where my total is shown, which is cell D15. I'm going to create a border, so I'm going to go up to my ribbon and click on top border. You can see it there. Now I'm going to add the numbers in column D, so I'm going to hit the equal sign just like I did above. Click on the 35, which is cell D11, hit the plus sign, click on 12, hit the plus, click on 8, hit the plus, click on 20, hit return, and you should get $75. Now we're ready to figure out how much money you have left over in your budget for extra expenses. So what we want to do is take $85, which is our total income, and subtract our expenses of $75. To do this, let's type in a title first to the left. Money left over for spending. And accountants and bookkeepers generally show a single and double line combination when they want to show the final total for something. So we're going to go back up to our border button, and this time we're going to choose top and double bottom border. It looks like this. Okay. Now, to enter my formula, I'm going to hit the equal sign just like I've done before. Go up here and click on my total income of $85, which is cell D8. Hit the minus sign, which you can find in your number pad off to the right. Then click on $75, which is D15, and then hit return. And you should have $10 left over. That's it. You're done with your first Excel spreadsheet.